Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Unreal, and let me show you how to add this floating text in your Unreal project. Okay, I will now create a third-person project. The first thing we want to do is go to our content folder, right-click on it, and over here select Blueprint class. Make sure it's an actor, and you can just type in text over here. You can save it with Ctrl Shift and S. Double-click it to open it, and now drag and drop it over here at the top. And the next step is to hit this add a new component and type in text render over here. You can just hit enter or rename it if you want. And we have our text over here. Now, if I hit compile and save and go to the third person map, I can just drag and drop our text over here. And if I hit play, we have our text, but it's not positioned properly. So we will go back to our blueprint. We will select it. And we will rotate it by 90 degrees, or we can just by 180. Mathematics. So we can just type in 180 and now hit compile. And if I go over here and hit play, you can see your text. If you want to manipulate your text, you can just scale it like this. You can also change the text, of course. So it says the better text. Okay, you can also import your fonts and choose them over here. And you can also change the color of your text, scale, if you want, or you can change the world size over here. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. And if you want, you can check out my other Unreal Engine 5 tutorials for beginners and see if they fit you well. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye.